And we're back, this time with a properly constructed Cartesian plane on which we can put points. So we have our x and our y. Our first point is -9, so we go -9 to the left and 12 up. And that is in quadrant 2. You can just write Q2. Alright, our next point, -3, so -3 to the left, and -5, 5 down. Helps when I write the negative. There we go. And that is in Q3. 7, 1 is in quadrant 1. 0, 0, which is our origin, and 8, -2, which is in quadrant 4. Check your answers, make sure that you got them right. When you're ready, move on to the distance formula. A distance formula is letting us figure out, given 2 points, how do I find the distance between those points? So I want to know the length of segment AB. Now you can memorize the technical equation if you want to. The distance is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. But essentially what that formula is doing is this two-part process up here. The first part is that you construct a right triangle on the Cartesian plane. So let's say we were looking at the points 0, 0, and we'll say 5, 3. Alright, given those points, we drop a line down, cross, and directly connecting them to create a right triangle. We then know that since this is 0, 0 and this is 5, 3, the vertical length is 3 and the horizontal length is 5. We can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length between points A and B. So we have 3 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared. 9 plus 25 equals x squared. X squared equals 34. X equals the square root of 34, which, if we plug into our calculators, we find to be 5.831. Go ahead, try the same process if point A was at -1, 2 and point B was at 3, 5. Resume the video when you're ready to check your solution. Alright, again, we want to have a Cartesian plane. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And -1, 2, 3. Point A is at -1, 2. Point B is at 3, 5. Oh, we need to extend y up a little bit. Okay. We connect the two dots. We also draw a line straight down and straight across, creating our right triangle. The difference between 2 and 5 is 3. The difference between -1 and 3 is 4, meaning x squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. X squared equals 9 plus 16. X squared equals 25. X must equal 5. And that is the distance between A and B. If you're ready to look at the midpoint formula, go on to the next video.